this workflow that can send email to our prospect on automation. So we can get you everything that I learned to teach you to automate. So I simply connect you can connect Google or on mail like SMTP. Click on save and choose your account to send an email. If you use Gmail, click authorize with Gmail. If you have SMTP or any business email, you can also use that. Simply I choose this account and I continue with this process, and I make to connect this account. I provide this workflow link on description or Gumroad, so you can download from there. So it can say it is authorizing. Okay, it is not possible to use restricted scope with customer at the Gmail account. For more information on how to connect restricted scope, visit the document. It is not possible to use restricted scope with customer at the Gmail account. I think I need to connect my SMTP server. It is not connecting, so I need to connect Gmail. So I need to enable. So let's guide you how to connect Gmail. To connecting Gmail, I make the separate video. It can be long, so we need to use advanced. So advanced setting, and we need client ID and client secret for automate. So I can make a video yesterday, or I already make a video for how to connect Google Drive to NITN. You can also watch that video. That is the same process. You simply need to enable Gmail, so it can also that is the same process. You simply need to do with Gmail. That was the video with Google. Tomorrow I make the video. So today I connect with SMTP. So go to others. So let's connect my server. So my server will be, let's see what is the I forget everything. Let's see it, and then I will continue. So okay, you need to so let's do that. We simply paste our name. We can also connect with Gmail with our SMTP server. This is also possible to connect with SMTP. So I can tell you 2 methods tomorrow. Shambhu@celino.xyz. Okay, I simply paste my server detail. Please do not use my, and everything is okay. Just save it. Now it is connecting. Failed to connect SMTP server. Okay, let's see what is the problem. I want to see my server detail. Like I'm not getting. I need to wait and wait. So waiting. Yes, I need to also do this. CTLC and copy, paste it here, and I simply need to write my password. I simply write my password and click on save. I think it will be connected, but no. It will not connect. Let's see it is whether way to connect. The best way to connect is go to Microsoft. Don't waste your time. And just save it and just connect. Go with Microsoft. I don't waste your time. So let's choose one of my account. Let's continue with this account and continue. So I can't use my password. I know my password of this. I think go to next and see it is successfully done. Now I can authorize my SMTP with Microsoft, so I don't waste your time, and just save it. It is easy to connect with Microsoft. Just save it, save anywhere. Now it is save it. Now let's go to Google, and I want to find out dermatologist lead. I want to extract Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, and iCloud. The city will be Newark, and simply search it. Now it gives us only 10 result, but I need more, so I found a way to get. So to getting that much, I simply go to the other end of this and add this, like and num is equal to 100, and you can see we got around 1000 result at a time. If I just want to extract only email, so I simply copy this and go to this tool that I made with myself, click on extract email, and you can see it found 16 email, but I just want to extract it like table format. Simply use this like function. So if you want to just extract email, that is the first way. You can try both, which you like best. Simply copy this and go to my Queen account, paste it, and simply click on enter, and you can see the output. I like Queen. This worked great. You can see we got the output, name, email, website, everything we got. It makes us easy to format, readable format. So we are now getting this data. So I provide this Google Sheet link in the description. Like I simply click on a file bottom, share with other, and and this will be in with the link. You can simply see it now, or I forgot to, so you can see it now. Simply copy this and copy link, and the URL look like this. You can see that. Click on done. Now go to my Queen account and simply copy this data, like full name, let's try to copy with, I think I am not able to copy. So I can, okay, so I copy from here to here and go to my Google Sheet, and I simply paste my data here and simply paste it. You can see that this will get like name, company name, website, company description, email. We got output. So let's try with this much demo. So if you want to just extract email, you can continue with this website. I am not running any type of ad, anything. I made for myself, but I can provide you now. You can copy as line, comma, separate space, anything you like, or you use Queen. Let's go to this automation that I have also provided in description. So we need to select our, so this is the name of lead generation automation outreach, and sheet name, table will contain header, and everything is okay. Let's run it. Run this module only and see the output. Now we are getting the output. We can say that order by row number and the sheet name. So we got only one output at the time. You can see that. Let's cross this, click on this, send an email. This is the email, and we need to write a subject line. So let's go to Queen and tell I sell a marketing service. Service to dermatologist, craft called right craft 50 watts called email for that. And now I got an email. You can say that I help dermatologist, and you can see that. Let's copy this and go back to our mac.com and paste it, and now drag the value. The first name will be this one, full name. Simply drag it, go here, give a space, and this will be your name. So I write my name, Sambu, and let's give some spaces so it make us easy to read, and just tell craft two words subject line for that. Click on enter, and you can see boost visibility. Simply copy this and go back to mac.com. Simply cross this and paste this here, and this will be our email from here. After save message, after sending, click on no. Everything is okay. Click on save, and it will automatically update on the here on sheet. Just save it and also save it, and schedule it for. Click on here, go to here, go to everyday or at a regular interval, and the time will be around every hour. Click on save, click on activate scenario, and just save it. Make sure you verify your email. So when we scrap this email, we need to also verify our email list, so can't get any blacklist or blocked. Sometime the email isn't available, so we need to use email verifier tool like Million Verify. You can see that. Use this tool and just verify your email. For cold email, anything you can use, so it can't send to random email, so it can send the valid provider only. So getting blocked on Outlook, Gmail, so the chance will be decreased. So we need to check, like this is matter, because if I send the letter that the available address is not valid or not found, so what thing they do, they will punish. Same as Google also can punish, Outlook also can punish. So it is matter. You can see it is rocket. Simply save it and click on run once, and I can show you. I simply click on run once and it will send the email. You can see that, and it will status will be done. Here I can show you. Click status send, and we can see that status sent, and this will also sent. Let's go back to mac.com, and we see we sent a successfully email. Let's cross it. We meet on next video. Okay, bye.